You got a dog hair on the lens.
Where?
You goof.
Oh no.
Just another beautiful day in Ohio.
Reminds me of Nam. So I just now realized that I didn't do like a proper intro in the beginning, but like you'll see it like maybe 2 minutes in, not even, but I'm on my way to a car show that was in Pittsburgh. This was before my intro that I actually did for you guys. So just stay tuned for that. It's coming up, I promise. Also, this video is going to be a lot of music, so like a B-roll, if you will, because I couldn't include any of the music that was in because your girl will get copyrighted and we don't want to get copyrighted today. So let's just get right on into it. Backstory before this clip, we were dancing to the Jonas Brothers. Can't play it because of copyright. You already saw that though. But we were dancing to the new Jonas Brothers album. I pulled out the camera, started recording it because he was dancing and it was hilarious. When I pull out the camera, he decides to stop dancing. So I was like, what the hell? So that is why the subtitles underneath, because the music's still playing in the background, so I can't have you listen to what we're saying. And you just see me yelling at him. And yes, I did flick him off. It happens all the time. We do it to each other. Don't. It's fine. Okay? Alright. Hey guys, it's Gina. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I am Gina. And today is going to be one of the days that I take you to a car show that we are going to. They're staring at me. Over there, they're looking at me. I see them. So we are going to a car show in Pittsburgh. We are there now. We stayed last night. It was literally pouring the whole ride here and it was super annoying. But it's this car show that's in a convention center. I will take you guys along with me because I told you that I'd be taking you guys along what days that I do car shows or anything. And this is one of those days where I'm at a car show. And he's washing his car and it's so rude! Let's see if he notices. He ignored it. So we are at a touchless wash right now, as you can hear. And we're about to go into the car show, so see you there. Quickly added into this car show is called Steel City Expo, because it's from the Pittsburgh car scene. A Jonathan in his natural habitat.
Welcome back, folks. Having fun over there? Clean it up.
You can see my reflection.
On what?
In your car.
Yeah? Good, that's how it should be.
Alright, Jonathan there. Calm down, buddy boy. How are you feeling right now, cleaning those wheels?
It's bonding, you know? I mean, it's kind of annoying. But you gotta pay to play. Am I right?
You're killing me. This man over here.
What are you about to do?
Surgery.
Tire gel? Yeah. Oh. Hey, did you clean your... Oh, you can actually get to your barrels.
Just sitting on the ground because I'm
Cole,
bored.
you cleaned your barrels, right?
I know I keep popping in, but like I'm editing this, so what do you expect? So the reason why I'm just sitting on the ground, I wanted just to specify this, is that this was way before the car show started. The car show didn't start till like 11:30, I think, and we were there way earlier for their cars to get in the convention center for them to wipe them down, clean them, because that's what's going on right now. So yeah. Also, when I do zoom in, I'll zoom in a little bit. That is our friend Will. So say hi to Will, everybody in the comments.
You cleaned your inner barrels? Yeah, I can't really get to mine. I think I'm just gonna leave it.
Yeah. I could say 1 o'clock we go eat.
Time is like 11:30.
11:30.
Not even. 11:19.
What, you want to go earlier?
No, I'm just saying it's not even 11:30.
Does that
was wrong with
matter
the
if
camera?
it's 11:30 or 11?
There's a like crack on the screen.
This is ridiculous. I need some like pumped up shit. Look how good they are.
Who are curious, or if you're not curious, I'm going to tell you anyway. That was not a real Supreme bag by Louis Vuitton, because this man literally was wearing fake Louis Vuitton and Fendi stuff obviously the whole time, because he didn't change, but he was wearing fake stuff all the time, and it was just... Also, you wouldn't just leave that bag in your engine bay. Like, come on, that's like an expensive ass bag. You ain't just gonna be leaving it. I don't care how good the car community is and how like trustworthy everybody is. Like, no, you're not leaving shit there out in the open for someone to snatch when you're walking around in the car show. Like, that is a big like indicator that it is fake. All right, little rant over. Continue.
Choo choo.